So now the cookies are done, and this is what they look like. So wait, this is the chi. This was the snowman. The very, very big heart. The candy canes kind of turn out like really weird and fat. And these also were kind of weird. The star kind of looks like a flower petal. Oh no. Santa turned out pretty good. I like it. And we got C, but the back's pretty burned. The rest are fine, but I guess the C is just really burned. I kind of put the other ones in the oven for too long, and they kind of came out a little bit more burnt, and the snowman's kind of bent, but that's okay. So we're gonna decorate this Christmas tree, and I'm gonna get the green icing. Let's see here. Remove cap. How do I remove cap? It's like that second line. I just decorated a Christmas tree. This is so cool. I should have gotten those like red sprinkles and decorated them, but this is pretty good. I'm not gonna cover the whole thing because I don't know if the frosting tastes good, but cookie one done. Yay, we got our candy cane. I like this, oh no. I like this red candy cane because I like the red. Oh wait. I like the candy cane, like the red is pretty glowy. I like it. Okay, we got the red done. I need to put... No! I just smudged the candy cane. It's okay. Now I'm gonna get the green again. Oh, kind of exploded in there. And we're gonna layer it. So I decorated a star with a ring on the outside, green, and a red circle in the middle. Add some more because that looks like a really weird Santa. Not bad. I don't think I did a really good job on the tree. It looks like bloody shots. Yay, I colored Santa's hat. It looks like he's wearing a hoodie with a smiley face on the back, so we will keep it as that. So now I will give you guys a cookie overview of what we have created. So here are cookies. This is the C, the star with the Christmas tree, the cool looking snowman, the big heart, which the zigzags look kind of weird, all the candy canes, and Santa. And the sad news is that the cat kind of broke. Yeah, I guess the tail kind of broke, and my mom kind of ate it, but yeah. It doesn't taste bad. I thought there'd be more soft, but it's very crunchy. But I think it's pretty good. It tastes pretty sweet, and for people who like crunchy things, it's pretty crunchy. I don't know about the sea cookie, but I like this cookie overall. I would sell these. These are actually pretty good. I'm just sitting and eating a cookie.